Hi, this is Christy Morrison, your Tahoe Truckee real estate expert here at 14750 Slalom Way. This house is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths upstairs, plus a huge game room, bonus room, and complete bathroom downstairs. It's just over 2,000 square feet, and it's priced at $799,000. So let's go take a look. Check out the living room here. It has a really warm and inviting feel with the vaulted ceilings, and kitchen's nice and open, has really nice cabinetry and great lighting. What I really love about this house is check out the game room. You could fill this with bunks and host all of your guests and the kids and put them all down here, and they would just have a blast. And look at this beautiful bathroom. The sellers did a really great job remodeling the bathroom.